Hello, I'm Zanzi. Umkosi Ojuicy here. Okay, guys, that's a story about Doc Shebeliza. We all know Doc Shebeliza, real name yakhe Victor Bogape. So the 51-year-old guy, or should I say old man, has been hospitalized, guys. So if family say keep a statement telling us what's no man, he's recovering from esibhedlela, ubangcono uyaphola, siqhubeke thina sibabeke emthandazweni naye simbeke emithandazweni yethu. So guys, when you pray simbeke Doc Shebeliza atobuye asibusise ngetingoma takhe. Niyatikhumbula mos tingoma takhe letimnanzi late bekasibusisa ngato. So recently beka admitted esibhedlela kungasikuhle nje, ngasikuhle. So bathi nyalo he's back, uya recover. So uthi uba better, guys, uba better. So into lengicelako nani mbekeni emithandazweni yenu, mthandaze nje ukuthi ayiphole mani indoda, ayiphole ibuye futhi nekhumula nengoma yakhe ethi ebumnandini, akabuye ebumnandini. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely evening. Ciao.